Today I am looking at a uninterruptible power supply. We're going to be unboxing it. This one happens to be a APC branded. It is the model BR1500MS2. It's 900 watts, has up to 150 minutes of runtime, and it is a digital sine wave. The sine wave piece of this is going to be a better approximation than the standard. And when it comes to higher end power supplies for your computers, when it comes to higher end electronics, that's when the better sine wave is actually going to come into play. Taking a look at this piece right here, what we're going to have is this is a data cable to USB. It's what's going to allow this to tell your computer, hey, I'm on power supply, you should shut down. We'll unwrap this. This has been verified. Then we have the stop halt sign that says, hey, you need to connect the battery first. Very important. If you forget to connect the battery, you're going to turn it on and we're like, why don't I have any? This has been signed for the quality assurance. Toby is the person that checked this one. I personally do not connect up my UPSs to the computer. Let's take a look here. It says push down, slide out. We're going to need to remove this. When you seat that, you're going to want to make sure that it's all the way seated in there. Double check I got everything. It wants to check that, and then slide this back on. All the way out. Okay. We'll tilt her up. These are heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. And just to show it off, I'll go ahead and hit the button. Now, it'll provide a load, the battery, and then down here, how much time it'll actually work for. That beeping sound you hear is the sound it makes when it is on battery power. And it is showing me that it's got 2 bars just out of the box, so 2 bars isn't terrible. There's no load, and it's going to continually adjust that time remaining. I enjoy the fact that it has this LCD display up here. Lets me know all the pieces that I need to know about it. And I have a 5-volt, 3-amp charger. The APC uninterruptible power supply